Okay, so here I'll be showing you how to configure a switch or to change what it functions or what it controls. So you start off by clicking the settings button in the top right hand corner and then go to buttons and inputs. And then what you want to do is just press the button a few times until it comes up and it'll connect. And then you have this screen where you can choose where you want to control the right button or the left button. Now here the left button is controlling its function as a scene, which you can set up. To change that back to just normal is just you click this, lighting and outlets, save, and then you can choose what it controls. You'll come up, I'm sure you'll have more rooms, you could scroll through which room you want it to control. Say it's a light in a hall or on a landing and you want it to turn on your bedroom light. You can choose that light if you just click into the room it's in. So here I'm in the living room, I can choose to turn on the floor, cabinet, window, and then you can identify, if you're not sure which light is which, you can press identify and that light will just turn off and on, so you can choose. So here I will just choose these two for the sake. And then that light, you can test it, turning it off and on, see if you're happy with it, and you can change it, or else you can go back, put it back as a scene, and then you can choose your scene, which you can set up. I'll choose this one. And then you can choose another scene for the button on the bottom. So if you have an evening scene, morning scene, you can do that. You can choose no scene, which I've done here. What you can also do is select another scene for a double click, which is at the bottom. So if you double click the bottom, you can set the scene for something else. And usually what we do on the right button at the bottom, the scene on the bottom would be to turn everything off. So you double click the right hand side on the bottom and that will turn everything off. And then you can also just control this side as well. You can go in here, change the room, change the names. You can update or remove the device if you're not using it anymore.